Hey folks, this is Jason with the Good Life Outdoors, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Yeacool underseat storage bag for my 2018 F150. If you're like me, you have a lot of stuff you like to carry in your truck and you like to keep it organized. I picked up the Yeacool underseat storage bag to do just that, to put all my stuff in and keep it organized and out of the way when I'm driving around. This bag is designed specifically for full-size crew cab pickup trucks like my 2018 F150. I'm going to go ahead and take this out and show you all the features of it and let you know what I think. This is a sizable bag. It holds lots of stuff, but still manageable when you're carrying it around. The bottom is nice and solid, and it has these nice grippers on the bottom to help it from sliding around inside your truck. This is super important. I like this solid bottom so it doesn't bend when you're carrying it, especially with heavy stuff inside. I like the fact that this has lots of different handles on there so you can grab it and go no matter where you are in your truck. You can even take it out without having to lift the seat up by using these handles. This bag has several pockets on the outside, some mesh, some fully enclosed, and one's even removable. I like having these mesh pockets right here on the side so I can drop something in right as I open the door of the truck. The zippers are sturdy and easy to open. Inside the lid you'll find some mesh pockets that are also zippered that are great for storing small items like a first aid kit and other essentials. The outside of the bag is a sturdy canvas material that's water resistant. These outside pockets are great for extra storage that can be accessed when the seat is down. This middle pocket can actually be detached so you can take it with you. You can put items in here that are portable and they attach onto the bag with MOLLE loops. So if you have any MOLLE type items or accessories that you wanted to put on there, you can attach those as well. And you'll notice that the outside of the bag here also has some Velcro. You can put patches and such to customize it. I'll say it again, I love these little mesh pockets on the side of the bag. I've got my marker flags on one side, my gloves on the other. They're easy to grab, and I really like this feature of this bag. On the back of the bag, you'll see some straps for holding longer items. You can secure these down and carry something like a shovel in this case, or an umbrella, and keep it from sliding around the back of your truck. Moving on to the interior of the bag, you'll notice that the Yeacool bag comes with 4 adjustable dividers. These are held in by Velcro and are customizable. You can make the compartments as narrow or as wide as you need for whatever you're trying to organize. In my case, I love having a narrow area for my ratchet straps and bungees, a little wider area for my outdoor tools, and even a really wide area for my tow straps and jumper cables. It's a great thing about a bag like this. If you're into organization, this thing is just made for making this very much your own. You can put whatever in there, make it work for whatever your needs are, and keep everything safe, secure, and not just rolling around in your truck. It's a really great little bag. So whether you need to have your tools ready for the day on the job site, your hunting gear ready for that big game hunt, or all your stuff ready for a day on the water to catch that trophy fish, this bag has you covered. Lots of room to organize all your stuff and be ready to go. And best of all, your truck stays nice and clean and organized. And what's better than that? If you're interested in purchasing this bag, I've got a link down below in the description with a code for my viewers to get a little bit of a discount. Appreciate y'all following along. Y'all get out there and live the good life. Thanks a lot.